1 year ago, I became the first person on YouTube to track someone with AirTags without them knowing. There were these kind of fake little experiments where people were, putting tags in people's backpacks, but letting them know and all that sort of thing. I literally tracked my best friend without him knowing, and he never found out until I followed him to where he was. Now, he knew he was going to be in a YouTube video, but he didn't know what was happening. At the end of that video, I told Apple that they need to fix the alert system. It never alerted Rob for almost 24 hours that he was being followed, and it wasn't good enough. In the last year, we have seen actual crimes being committed with AirTags, and it's really scary. But also, Apple says that basically they fixed those problems and that they're alerting people earlier and they're doing all these things that make it so much better to be able to use AirTags and not worry about them being misused. So I figured I would test that theory. This time, my friend has no idea I'm going to do this. He doesn't even know he's going to be in a YouTube video. I'm going to do the exact same thing with the exact same AirTag, putting it in the exact same place on his car, and see how long I can track him this time. I'm not even going to go follow him for a couple of days because I believe I'm going to be able to follow him with the AirTag. Has Apple finally fixed all the problems that they said that they would? Well, let's find out. Right after this.
This is, you listening to Travis.
It's 1 year later, and I'm going to do this again. I can't believe this. This is ridiculous. Anyway, I'm at my friend's house. He does not know I'm coming. Last year, he knew he was going to be in a YouTube video. This time, he doesn't know that I'm doing this at all. I haven't talked to him, except for last night to make sure he was on the latest firmware and the latest update on his phone. And I covered it by saying that there's new virus out and stuff, and he says he is, so let's put it on his car. Uh-oh, his garage is open, so I think he's there. I'll have to come back. Whoops. Okay, take two. I'm here, and he's gone. He's freaking gone. This is why YouTube video's not as easy as you think. He's not here. Look at this. What the heck, man? Okay, day 3, and I'm here, and his car is here. I'm gonna go quickly put it exactly where I put it before anyone sees me. Of course, it's raining. I think I put it down here. Did I put it right here? Where did I put it? Shoot. Okay. Ooh, let's put it. It's right there. A bit low. That's it's really loud. Okay, I did it. It's on his car. Let's see how long it'll be on his car before he figures it out. And by the way, that was super simple, too simple. What if someone did that to your computer? Well, I have a brand that's going to help you out with that. It's trendmicro.
It was too easy to put that AirTag on Rob's car, but I'll tell you right now, it's just as easy for people online to track you. Thank goodness trendmicro has you covered. Introducing the Premium Security Suite by trendmicro. Premium Security Suite offers a complete device and identity protection across PC, Mac, mobile phones, and tablets. It's their most comprehensive security solution, protecting everything that you use, including ID security. Monitor and receive alerts if your personal information is found on the dark web. And with a personal data search, it allows you to see if your email address, credit card number, passwords, bank accounts, or more have been leaked due to data breaches. And these things happen all the time. trendmicro has you covered. Your data may already be out there due to a large data breach from one of the many companies that have been breached over the last couple of years. It happens all the time, and with the dark web monitoring, you're going to be in the know. I have a link in the description below with a promo code. Make sure you check that out. And special thanks to trendmicro for sponsoring this video.
So it's day number 2, and I want to make sure that the AirTag is still on his car, and it is, and it's moving. So it sat overnight on his car. He probably didn't go anywhere, so he didn't get any alerts. He's driving, and you got to remember, as you drive, it's not really updating all the time because it's kind of far away from him. Plus, it only ever updates when it's near an iPhone. And while he does have an iPhone, the reality is at that speed, I've noticed the last time I did this, it doesn't update every couple of seconds. But now, it's updating. He's driving, and every couple of minutes it updates. Oh, look at that. It just updated just there. He's driving, baby. Let's go. All right, full work day through, and he's home. So we drove to work. He's back home, and it's still in his car. I think this could happen all week. Or not. He just texted me. We should go talk to him. Let's see. Is it still there? Or did he actually find it? Oh, he ripped it off. So the magnet is still here. The magnet is still on this thing, but he ripped it off. Okay, let's go inside. Hey, buddy. How goes? We're back at it again 1 year later. Literally 1 year ago.
Would you get a Facebook reminder of this?
What? No. So here's the thing. Here's what happened. Here's what's interesting. A year ago, I told you we were going to be in a YouTube video. And then I told you I didn't tell you what I was going to do. I just told you I was going to find you somewhere. This year, after all the reports and news about people using these things for crimes, and then Apple saying that they had fixed everything, I wanted to test the theory, but I couldn't tell you I was going to do it again.
Of course not.
So randomly, I came by, I think it was yesterday. I was there overnight, followed you to your work, and then followed you home. So tell me what happened. Like, how did you figure it out? How did you figure out where it was? What happened? Because last time you got no alerts or anything.
Yeah, I got nothing last time.
So what happened?
The ironic thing is I was telling this story just a couple of days ago.
Oh, weird.
I was telling someone that this happened.
Okay.
I got a notification on my phone that there was an AirTag near me.
When?
Today.
When today?
I got one, I think I got one earlier today,
Oh, really?
and I ignored it because I'm like,
Yeah. What? Yeah. Exactly.
what do you...
Yeah, because that's what I expect would happen.
And then I got it again when I got home.
Ah.
And I said, let me take a look at this.
Okay.
Sure enough, yeah, there's an AirTag near me. So I got the notification on my phone, says there's an AirTag detected near you.
Yep.
And then I was like, whoa, hang on.
Okay.
Then I looked at the route and I'm like, wait a minute, this has been on my truck since before I left work.
Right.
So,
Who else could it be?
yeah.
That's what I said. I was like,
I
that's
said,
nobody
yeah,
else.
this could only be
That's
one
nobody
person.
else, Travis.
So I started looking at the video on from my front camera.
Yeah.
And sure enough, there you are.
Oh, you saw me actually get it. Put it on there.
Yeah, you're in the video.
I caught it in 4K.
What I did see, I saw play sound. So I had it play a sound so that I could find it. By the way, the sound is really crappy.
Yeah.
It sounds like an echo.
Yeah.
So it's not really.
You barely hear it.
For actually trying to find the thing. Took me a good 10 minutes to find it.
Okay.
I had an idea where it was, but I finally had to reach under.
I literally put exactly where I put it last time.
I was on the ground underneath my truck. And you know, at my age, it ain't all that easy to get back up. Okay, so I'm not happy about that. It says I can learn about the tag, instructions to disable it. Gave me those instructions, so I wanted to find it.
So earlier today, you got the first.
Yes, I think I did get one this morning.
Okay, you just ignored it because you didn't. It was like whatever. Yeah,
'cause
gotcha.
I don't even usually look at
I think most people exactly. I think most
most
people
of
do
my
that.
notifications are just garbage. I don't really care about.
Right,
It. This
that's
time, I saw it when I got home. And I'm AirTag. That caught my eye this time.
So having gone through this twice, a better experience, not quick enough, quick enough. Or what do you think? Is there
It's
something?
still creepy as heck.
Of course.
However,
Yeah.
I did get notification this time, so
But I think you should get
That's better.
notification. I think you should get notification sooner. I don't like the fact that the AirTag has been on your vehicle since yesterday, followed you to work, followed where you went to lunch, followed you back to work, followed you home. And it wasn't until today that you even got any type of notification that it was on your truck.
word to the wise: don't ignore your notifications when you get them on your phone. Okay. And one last note, just between you and me: if you put one of these on my truck again, I'm going to use it for target practice. We're going to find out if it's bulletproof.
So in the end, here's where we are. They did fix the exact thing that I tested a year ago, which is great. I'm really happy about that. I actually thought I'd be able to get away with it, especially after so much time had passed. But the reality is they did it. They fixed it somewhat. Are there better ways of fixing this? I mean, maybe. Oh, I've always said they should just recall these things. Like, what is the point of these things? Get rid of them. There's no use for them. There's no real need for these things. Of course, they can be used to find your key somewhere, but what did you do before AirTags? You figured it out. Now people are using these things to track people all over the place. It's been all in the news. It's a crazy thing. And yes, there are other devices out there to do this, but almost none of them are as good as this. It just is what it is. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't seen the last one, make sure you go check it out. And of course, I have other videos here as well. And I'll see you next time. Peace and love.